Hi Hannah, it's me. Since we haven't had time to get together, I thought I'd just put together a video and see if that helped you to see if you had the right test exam view. So first of all, here, this is a screenshot of my computer as I'm logging into my exam view. And this is where I messed up at first, and there's actually another one on my computer down here. And so you want to make sure that you're in the exam view test generator, which you might have been, but that was what got me hung up for a while and I wasn't able to figure it out. So when you go to your exam view test generator here, you then click on that and it should take you to this screen right here. So then you put in your email and your password. Then when you come to this, the first thing you'll see, and it just comes up automatically, is what do you want to do? And then we're going to use the test wizard here to create the whole test bank. So that just shows you, and then you hit close to go to the next screen. Then I did a screenshot of this because up here, that test wizard logo is up in the corner. For some reason it went blank, but again, you choose that far left icon for the text wizard, and then it'll ask you what you want to name it. So I was working on my chapter 3, so I named it chapter 3 test bank, and then I hit the next button. I showed you here to hit the next button. After that, it gives you the name of the file. So I scrolled down to chapter 3, which you can't see here, but it was there. In fact, I think I took a better screenshot after I did. So then you select chapter 3 here, and you just double click that. It highlights it, and then you double click it. And that moves it down to this area. So after you have it down to that area, you just hit next. And then I do select all because I want all of the questions included in my test bank on Canvas. And then finish right here. Click finish and you'll have all the tests. So this comes up as the export, and then you go down to Canvas. I think I did a screenshot of that as well. Yes. So then you highlight Canvas. And then this screen comes up so you can name it whatever you want. I just did chapter 3 test bank, and then I named what the chapter was regarding. And then underneath this descriptor right here is what it's going to come up with in Canvas. So I made sure I labeled it chapter 3, that it was a test bank, and then I did the P, C, and S because I have 2 books that I've used for quizzes. Then I clicked OK. And that may be my last screen. Okay, so that's it. And then the next process would be uploading to Canvas as the Blackboard file. So if you're able to get through this, let me know. I hope you have a great day. Hope this is helpful since we haven't been able to have the time to sit and do this. Bye.